Hi, I'm Frank Nakasone, the Director of Product Development and Supply Chain here at the Ettore Products Company. Today, I have great news about a customer favorite, the iconic backflip. After a good amount of input from our customers, we have finally updated it and brought the backflip into the Click-Lock family of tools. Every one of our reach poles has the Click-Lock tip, and all of our products fit universally onto this tip. The backflip, being an older product, was not a part of that family until now. To accomplish this, we added more length to the back end. The handle is longer now that we've added the Click-Lock features to it. We're very excited about this change, and you'll see this on every backflip going forward. Ettore number 1. Order now!